Accounting is used to appraise results of the business activity. Accounting also can be done on an accrual basis or cash basis. From the transaction that have been given, I have to make a journal. In journal, there are two accounts that have to be recorded, which is side of debit and credit.
Like you could say that what is written on journal, you have to post in ledger. You have to open two ledger account, which is interest account and cash account. The date, what transaction is going on, and the amount. That is very important. Balance C/D is for opening account, while balance B/D is for closing account.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ain Akilah binti Ridwan and my number matric is H22A0919. Next is trial balance. For a trial balance, as at 31 October 2020 is balance, which is RM 144,000 at total in debit and credit.
Trading profit and loss. Step 1. Track your revenue. Revenue is the money you have received in payment for your product or service. As you are paid, enter and keep track of the figures. This will be your total operating revenue. Step 2. Determine the cost of sales. These are not your day-to-day fixed expenses like rent, salaries, and others, but rather the expenses that vary depending on how much business you are doing. You might also see this referred to as the cost of goods sold. These variable costs might include inventory, raw manufacturing materials, and additional staff you hire to cover a busy period. Regular salaries are fixed expenses and will be figured in later. Step 3. Figure out your gross profit. Deduct the cost of sales those variable operating expenses from your total revenue to find out the gross profit of your operation for that particular time period. Step 4. Add up your overhead. These are the fixed expenses you have to run the business. They don't vary much from month to month or rise and fall with the number of sales you make. Examples include expenses like rent, staff, advertising, equipment leases, and phones. If you have costs you pay yearly like insurance, divide them by 12 to get your monthly expense. Step 5. Calculate your operating income. Deduct the cost of overhead from your gross profit. The result is your operating income. Step 6. Adjust for other income and expenses. This will be money coming in or going out that isn't related to the actual operation of the business. This type of income will include things such as interest or dividends from company investment, and expenses will be items like finance charge and interest paid on loans. Add or subtract this from your operating income and you are left with your total pre-tax income or your net profit. The last step is step 7, net profit, the bottom line. This is really the most important number of all and the main reason for figuring out all the line item above. This number will show if you have a profit or loss after paying all your expenses.
Balance sheet as at 31 October 2020. Fixed asset is furniture 50,000, current assets cash 65,000 and debtor 10,000 equal to 75,000.
current liabilities, loan 12,000 and creditor 6,000, will get 18,000 because the loan is 12,000 plus the creditor 6,000.
For the working capital is 15,000 equal to 7,000. Finance price is 18,000 and the capital is 18,000 and the salary is minus 5,000 minus 3,000 equals to 7,000. Is the same in balance. That's all from me. Thank you.
The usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. Reveal a company's ability or inabilities to generate profit by increasing revenue, decreasing costs, or both. Show how much profit and loss generate. Show change in account over a specific time period, such as cash flow statement.
I begin with my part. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Mazlan. You can call me Aiman. The usefulness of the balance sheet statement. First point, give interest parties an idea of the company's financial position, in addition to displaying what the company owns and owes. Asset equal to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. The three elements of the accounting equation are assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. The formula is straightforward. A company's total assets are equal to its liabilities plus its shareholders' equity. My last point is balance sheets are also important because these documents let banks know if your business qualifies for additional loans or credit. Balance sheets help current and potential investors better understand where their funding will go and what they can expect to receive in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion, accounting is the term used to describe the organized and the whole documentation of a business' financial activities. When a business makes an account in the business, of course the flow of currency inflow will be organized and know how much money is spent and how much profit is obtained. Keeping our accounting records clean and up to date is very important to make sure our business is relevant in today's business environment that is much more complex and dynamic.